A very good morning to my dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine and doing well at home. Now this is English time and I Mrs. Bandana Singh, your English teacher. I welcome you all in English class. As this is our first class in this new year 2021, so I would like to wish you a very happy new year 2021. May this new year bring a lot of happiness, success, joy and pleasure in your life. So now we'll start our today's lesson. So today we'll start our chapter from the book Honeysuckle, or we can say that English literature also. So today we are starting chapter number 9, Desert Animals. So basically this lesson about the animals which live in desert. So when we think or we talk about desert, especially about desert animals, which picture come in our mind? The first picture come in our mind is that camel. We know that camel is called the sheep of Registan. Yes, the sheep of desert. And the first of all, it is compulsory for us to know what are desert. I hope you all know about desert, how people survive there, what is the climate of desert, everything. Yes, so once we'll discuss about desert. See, desert means so much sand and less plantation, less rain, less water and so much hot. Yes, this all is about desert. A large area of land usually covered with sand that is hot and has very little water and very few plants. Desert areas get very less rain, so there is very less water and these areas are very hot. As desert are the driest place, very less vegetation, very less water and weather is very hot, so it's very difficult to survive there. So the animal survive there are different kind of animal. We'll see here in this lesson how they survive and what special qualities they have. So come have a look. We'll start with the chapter. Deserts are the driest place on earth and sometimes go for months or even years without rain. Okay, so because desert gets less rain, that's why these places are hot places or dry places. But even the desert animal cannot survive without water. As we know that no one can survive without water, so desert animal also can't survive without water. So what they do to survive, we'll see. For long period in the scorching sun, because sun is very hot there, scorching means very hot, so they have had to find different ways of coping with the harsh conditions. Okay, so as we know that no one can survive without water and desert animal also can't survive without water. So what desert animal do to survive? They have find some different ways to live in harsh conditions. What they do? For examples, garbills. Garbill means they are animal, they looks like mouse, they are desert animals. Spend the hottest part of the day in cool underground burrows. And strange insects called darkling beetles are experts at catching drops of moisture on their legs, then lifting them into the air until the drops trickle down into their mouths. Okay, see how they are expert to survive in harsh conditions. Not all deserts are endless siege of rolling sand dunes. Some are rocky or pebbly and dotted with small bushes, while others are sprinkled with colorful flowers during the spring. Okay, so as we know that when we think about desert, the things come in our mind is sand and sand. But all the deserts are not endless sand, endless siege of sand. Even some desert are desert having some bushes and greenery and some colorful flowers. Okay, now we'll discuss in our Zoom class in our today's lecture that how many kind of different animals survive there, how they live their life and what challenges they have to face. So we'll meet today in our Zoom class. Bye.